How to delete Weverse account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To delete Weverse account, open your Weverse app. Here on bottom of your screen, you can find different navigation options. So tap on this more icon located on bottom right hand side of your screen. Now here on top of your screen, you will find this icon, My Account. So tap on it. Now you will be headed towards this page. So here, simply scroll down all the way to bottom. And here you will find this option, Connected App and Services. So right below it, you will find the option to delete. So tap on it. Now to delete Weverse account, what you need to do is, here on bottom of your screen, you will find the box. Please type in the text above. So here, simply type delete account from Weverse. After typing, you will find this option, delete account from Weverse right below it. So tap on it again. And here you can see, you successfully disconnected Weverse. So this is all you need to do to delete your Weverse account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.